We guide you through how to change your Shopify Payout bank account. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your Shopify admin dashboard, then go to settings at the bottom left corner and click payments. Under the Shopify Payments section, click Manage, then scroll to the Payout Details area where you'll see a current bank account information. Click Change Bank Account, and Shopify may ask you to verify your identity through email authentication or security code for protection. Once verified, enter your new bank account holder name, account number, and routing number or bank code depending on your country. Then double check all details carefully to avoid payout delays. After that, click Save to update your payout method. Remember, any pending payouts may still go to your old bank account if they were already processed. So it's best to update your details before your next payout schedule. So that's it.